Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
Cinco de Mayo.
which means a Mexican holiday celebrating the country's victory over the French in the Battle of Puebla. Let's say it all together.
Cinco de Mayo.
One more time.
Cinco de Mayo.
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one.
C-I-N. Co. Di. Ma. Yo.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.